Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is the Beautiful Renee, and I'm here to do an unboxing. This is my first unboxing on YouTube, and what a great box. It is the March 2020 Boxyluxe box. I'm so excited. So if you are interested in seeing what I've got in my Boxyluxe box for the month of March, then just stay tuned. So I'm going to sit back and relax here because I did this video, did it so fast that I did not even open all of the products that were in the box. I finished the video and there was still one in there, so scrap that, start over. So I will say, just as letting you know up front, I've already opened the box. I know everything that's in here, but I'm still very happy about everything that's in here, so every thought that I say is still genuine. This is the Boxycharm Luxe box that comes every 3 months, and the price is $50. So if you know anything about Boxycharm, it's a monthly subscription. You get a box every month, except for the Luxe box comes every 3 months. There are 3 tiers. There's the Boxy base box, which is $25 a month. Then there's the Boxy Premium, which is $35 a month, and you get more full-size products than the base box. And then there's the Luxe box that comes every 3 months. That's $50. So in lieu of your regular base or premium box, you would get the Luxe instead and pay $50 for that particular month, which is what I did for the month of March. I'm really excited because this is my first box, and I did not get to choose because I wasn't sure if I was off of the wait list, and so they chose all the products for me and they did a great job, so I'm really happy about that. So let's dive into this box. As I'm going to church in the morning, it's after 11 o'clock, I'm tired, and I just want to get through this. I don't want this to be a long video. So here is how the box does come, and this paper is on top to help protect the products as they are being sent in the box. And there is a card. Hold up. You know, this is my first time. I'm gonna open the box, take the card out, put the card somewhere else. Forgot all about the card. Can't tell you anything about the card. You need the card. So here is the card. It says Boxycharm, pretty edgy, and let's get some more light here. It's kind of dark, and let's see. There we go. All right, there we go. All right, so Boxycharm, pretty edgy, okay? And on the card, for those of you who don't know, it tells you all about the products, how much they cost. It even gives you the variation, which for me was variation 13, okay? So I'm just gonna go quickly through the box, let you know what's inside and how much they retail for. So right on top, and protected by this foam, is the PMD Beauty Smart Facial Cleansing Device. And I got the color navy. I think there were 3 colors that were going through. I didn't get the color I wanted, but that's okay. Still a very nice product. This retails for $99, and it says that this is a smart facial cleansing device. It has 7,000 vibrations per minute, and it deep cleans and lifts, firms, and tones so that you can have a youthful appearance, okay? I did know that this was coming because I do watch for the spoilers. So it has these little teeth bristles up here, I guess. It's a silicone, so different from brushes. It also has this little thing so you can stand it upright on your vanity or in your shower, and it is battery operated, and they did include a battery, so I'm very excited about that. I will be using this when I clean my face because I just love using devices like this. I have a brush one, so this will be something different to use, and watch my channel so I can tell you how I like this. Again, this retails for $99. The next item in the box is this palette. This is Boxycharm's first palette that's all their own. On the front it says Hello Charmers, and on here it has different hashtags that people use when they are making posts on YouTube or other Instagram or whatever. Here inside are the shades, and I can tell you right now, this camera, and none of the cameras I've seen has done any of these any justice. Beautiful. That's all I can say. Is you can't see this. You can't see it on it. You can't see it. These are gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. This retails for, I believe, $39. Yes, $39. And there are shimmers and there are some mattes. And as you can see, I dipped in this when I was filming. This is called Full Size, and this matte one here is called Unboxing. And on the back of my hand, that's Unboxing, and that is Full Size. Please excuse my nails. This box, they told me it was leaving the warehouse today and it showed up today. I don't know how that happened. I wasn't planning on doing this, so my nails aren't done. Please excuse them. Don't come for me, y'all, in the comments. I'm gonna do my nails tonight. Gotta go to church tomorrow. So, all right, so that's the next item. Okay, here we have from the company Sol Janeiro, 2 creams. This one is Coco Cabana cream, and this is like a moisturizer. I've had this in an Ipsy bag before. It smells heavenly. Love it. It's a little sticky, but other than that, I love it. And then this is new to me, Brazilian Bum Bum cream, and this is to help firm and tone your skin. People have said that it is moisturizing. I'm not sure about that, but it'll be my first time using that. Not sure if I like the sizes of these. I would have rather had a bigger size of one or the other, but I guess this does allow me to try both formulas. Those retail for $15. Next in the box, I have Deborah Lippmann duo of nail polish, and one is called Fire on the Horizon and the other one is called Can't Stop the Feeling. They are nail polishes. Fire on the Horizon, which kind of looks like a reddish orange color, and then Can't Stop the Feeling, which is a pink shade. And these are gel formula, and these retail for $19. It says that this is a healthy alternative to gel polish, which combines technology of Gel Lab Pro with nail color. Okay. Next in the box, I wish y'all could have seen my face on the last video. This right here, I'm telling y'all, I'm so excited that this was in my box, because this was a choice, in being that I was on the wait list. I didn't get to choose. They chose for me, so I was praying that they chose this for me. This is the Tarte Pro Remix palette. You all, I'm telling you, this is beautiful. Okay, so here's the outside. It has like this little, I don't know what you call this, but like illusion goes back and forth. The back is gold. Sorry, I blinded you. That's a gold background. Y'all, taking the sleeve off. These colors are beautiful. I am telling you, this camera is doing these no justice whatsoever. There are so many shimmers in here, and the ones down this side they are beautiful. Lots of like glittery effect to it, and there's shimmers, and then there's a few mattes. I love these. I'm going to do this one called Graphic, because that one is just, it's like a black and it has some purple specks inside of it. Okay, that's called Graphic, and that's that color. And you see it has like a shift, a black with a purple shift. Oh my goodness. This is church tomorrow. This is it right here. All right, next. Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't tell you that retails for $49. Okay, $49. That's the retail price for that. All right, next I have this from Bombshell Baker. I was not happy about this. I saw these in some spoilers. I was hoping I didn't get it, but I got it, so guess I'll be using it. Not happy though. This is kind of like what they call a lifestyle item. So when I first saw someone open it, I thought they were like brushes, but they're actually gold straws. So I know why they put these in here. They're glitzy gold stainless steel straw set. Retails for $21. I know a lot of companies are, you know, saying that they're not going to have straws in restaurants and, you know, different places like that. So a lot of people have started carrying their straws. I don't know if I would put this in my, this doesn't even fit in my purse. My purse is small. So anyway, I might use it. I might regift it. I'm not sure, but that is 4 straws, retail value $21 from Bombshell Baker. It did have a little pipe cleaner to clean them. I think that's pretty good, but it's not something I want in a box that I'm looking for makeup and skincare. So moving on. Okay. The last item, I think, oh no, I have 2 more items. Okay, so I have this Becca Skin Love. Okay, Becca Skin Love. And I'm trying to decide if I like Becca. I'm wearing the foundation that I got last month in my Boxycharm box. So far, it's kind of a love-hate relationship. I'm trying to figure out what works. This is the Becca Skin Love Glow Glaze Stick. It's infused with Glow Nectar, Brightening Complex, infused with, what is it? Nectar. Take it off. I don't know if this pushes up. It's not turning. Anyway, I don't know if you can see that. It's like a highlighter, I guess. And I don't really like highlighters that are not powder formula. Powder formula is my favorite. I tried liquid. I didn't really like those. So I'm not sure if I'm going to use this to swatch. I'm not swatching it. I may put this in my charity box or give it to someone as a gift, but that does retail for $28. It says a post facial glow in a stick and ultra sheer translucent highlighter. Okay, makes it look like a dewy glass like sheen. Okay, not sure if I'm going to use that, but how much was that? $28. I've gotten some nice highlighters, a lot less than that, but I guess somebody might like it. And then the last item is from NARS. This is the one that I forgot in my other video. It was down in the bottom of the box. And this is their Power Matte Lip Pigment. And this has a shelf life of 24 months. And I know that there were a lot of different shades that went out for the boxes. I have this one in the shade Wild Night, and it says that this is retails for $25. It says that the potency and precision is a power couple to make this a powerful concentrate of our most powerful matte yet. Fluid Pigment Complex. It's a liquefied. I know that people said this is very, very liquidy. But I do like the packaging. This is really neat. And I've seen if you line up several of them, it'll say NARS. And you can also see here what the shade is. And the shade is a very deep purple shade. So I'm going to be very careful because I know this is very, very liquidy. I like the doe foot on here. I don't know if you can see that. This is very nice. And this is the shade here, Wild Night. It's a very deep purple shade, and it is a matte. It dries down matte. I don't normally like matte lipsticks. They're too drying for me, but I will try it. I do like the shade. Again, very deep purple, very, very deep purple. It's almost black, but I do like that. So that retails for $25. So that, let me check and be sure. Those are all of the items that are in my box. The retail for the entire box, I paid $50, and the retail value of the entire box, $295. So I do think that I've got my way more than my money's worth. I think my favorite items in the box are this palette right here and this PMD facial cleaner. So those are the items that I've got in my box. I can say that for my first box, I'm very pleased. I think they did very well this month. I was a little, sorry y'all, I was a little upset with some of the items that I got in my box as far as the straws, but I think the two palettes, the lip and this cleaner right here, I think makes up for it. So not mad at it at all. I do think it's worth it, and the next box will be coming out in June, April, May, June. Yes, so I will put down in the comments below my link if you are interested in trying out Boxycharm. Thank you. Love you all. Base ladies. Bye.